Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can change your name on Facebook. This works on PC and also works on Android and iPhone devices. So this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to your profile picture, then you have to go to settings and privacy, then settings, and wait to the screen to appear. Okay, so now we have to find the account center. So we press see more in account center and we wait to the page to load, and here in profiles you have to select your profile. In my case this is it. So we are going to choose name, and here you can change your first name and your last name. In my case I can do it because I changed it on July 2, but you can do it. So you change your first name and your last name, and then you press the button to next and it will be changed. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.